What's up everyone, welcome to this Hostinger Horizons tutorial where we'll be showing you how to build web apps with AI. Here we're on hostinger.com/horizons and here you can see that you can build an app if you've got the idea. We're going to go ahead and click on log in. We're going to be choosing Google to have an easy sign up. Go ahead and choose an email address that you prefer. Click and continue to confirm. And now that we're in, you can see create and launch a web app with Hostinger Horizons. Click and try now. So here you can put in your idea and let AI take it from there. You can put in a picture or also enable your microphone if you'd like to speak into it. We're going to be clicking on the suggestions right here. You can see expense tracker. Going to click on it. And after clicking on it, it says design a user-friendly budgeting and expense tracking app featuring categorized spending, interactive charts, budget goals, and a clean dashboard displaying key financial insights. So let's go to the next point by clicking on send. So here you can see that the web app is building, which is looking awesome already. So let's wait for it to happen. Also, you can see that there are 5 of 5 daily messages left, and your free trial will end in 7 days. So you have 7 days free trial to get your feet wet before committing to Hostinger Horizons. Awesome. So now we have our prompt and we have the response from Hostinger Horizons. And of course, you can see on the right side, a budget tracker app designed for our use. You can see the details on the left side of what it's done, the processes such as creating a clean and modern dashboard, expense tracking, budget management, digital visualizations. If we go over to the right side, yes, we can see all these and it's quite responsive. And here it provides you with an overview of how to use it. And this is really nice. It says the app uses local storage to save your data, so your information persists between sessions. It's fully responsive as we've seen and works on both mobile and desktop devices. So you can see here you have dashboard, we just clicked on expenses and then we clicked on budget. Now, of course, you can add an expense here or here if you're on the expense tab, and then you have your mobile view. So let's have a view of the mobile view. So this is looking good. You can see the pencil icon here in case you want to make some edits, of course, and you have the dustbin icon right there. If we click on the menu, you can see what we saw when it was in the full view. I'm going to switch back to desktop view, have it in full screen, and this looks like any other app. Of course, as we're proceeding, we can go over to publish. Publish can be found at the top right corner, click on it. So of course, the next thing to do is to click on publish, but do take note that in order to publish, you'll need to get on a payment plan. Once you click on it, it says in order to publish current project or create a new one, you'll need to upgrade your plan to a paid one. However, this is how you can go ahead and build web apps on Hostinger Horizons with ease. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.